One of my buddies just told me he got his truck stuck. He's not on Nittos, so what do you expect? But he's a good hour and a half away from me, out in the middle of the woods. Said he was going on an adventure by himself, except he had his roommate with him, but he's out there, has no recovery help, and he is sunk. He tried to go in this little puddle, and he ain't getting out. I gave him some tips over the phone. He sent me some pictures. They tried a bunch of different techniques. They're stuck. So I'm gonna hop in the truck. Right now I'm about to grab my little tow strap that I keep in the back of the Bayou 300 for pulling out four-wheelers with and stuff. So hopefully that'll do the trick. I need to invest in a solid recovery rope, but I'm gonna get some stuff and get on the road because we got a long trip and they're sitting out there in the woods. So let's get started. Hopefully we can get them out. Taking the Platinum, but my wife reminded me it's for sale and we got to keep it nice, and I'm probably gonna want to play in the mud. The Bronco would be a lot of fun too, but we're taking Buster. Well, it says we're about 10 minutes out from their marked location. The road is getting worse and worse, and it's pretty fun though so far. We've seen a bunch of cows out here. We almost caught air going over this little bridge that snuck up on me, but yeah, we're getting there. I don't know how much longer it's going to be paved, and I'm really surprised. Wow, this is getting bad. I'm really surprised that no one has pulled them out yet, and if they have, they haven't let me know, but we're getting there. I don't know where they turned off to be out here in the middle of nowhere, because it seems like we're already out here, and I feel like people live back here, and somebody would see them, but who knows? We'll see exactly where they're at. They might be like out in the woods, but the map is saying it has a road name, so it couldn't be that far out. But we'll be pulling up here in a second and see what they got going on. Alright, so it is down a dirt road. It does have a name. We'll see if we can find them. It says they're like 3 miles down this road. Oh yeah, nice and bumpy. They said they're looking for an adventure. I think they found one out here. I feel like we're coming up on someone's house. Yeah, there's like a house. There's houses out here. Yeah, how have they not been found yet? That's what I want to know.
No one lives there. That's amazing.
Oh, nobody lives out there? Oh, that makes sense.
I don't know about.
There's like, somebody comes back here. Got her real stuck, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I see how you couldn't get yourself out. That's pretty bad. So they tried all the things you should do. They tied some sticks to the back tire and tried to pull it out, but she's in there. But my four-wheel drive has been saying service, and I haven't even checked to see if it works yet. Hopefully I'll have enough traction to get them out. Here's the moment of truth to see if it'll go in full drive. Oh, yep, we got nothing. We're in neutral. It says service full drive. Let me try turning it off, because sometimes it doesn't say that. Alright. Put it in neutral. Oh, it's flashing. Ooh, that worked. Oh, man. Little trickery. Let's see if it actually engaged, but we'll try to get them out. We try to make it a little less steep of an incline, and this is how I've got the strap hooked up, just through the pin so we don't rip the ball off. A little bit of a safety tip. Let's see if my frayed strap can get them out.
Good. wimpy, but you know, at least I can say I did it. Probably
made my bumper crooked again. Looking all right. All right, let's go see if we can find some more trouble to get into. Well, I can't get it out of full drive, so we might as well keep playing. Just like washed out from the rain, looks like. Baby hole. Oh, with a nice windshield scratcher. Doesn't look that bumpy, but we're getting rocked. Keys maxed out with just about 35s on a stock truck is not the best off-roading rig ever. Well, after taking my dash apart, I got her back in two-wheel drive. That sucker was not working. I guess I had a loose connection. Ghetto.